very interesting. Look at this, guys. And this one right here this is my first impression. Anyway, guys, I got this already. This is the I would say the stand for this unicycle. It's something about Ninebot. This reason why I picked this, because the quality of it, the experience that I have unboxing the, I would say the Go-Kart Pro Max is just amazing experience that I had. So now I'm gonna see if I'm gonna have the same thing with this one. This one right here is actually the newest model. This is 2021. They really fixed the issue. I know the first beginning, I think this has been out for a while. The first version of this has problem with, some of them has problem with, I would say motherboard, you know, and good thing Segway already fixed that, and other stuff too, like I think like also the turning off, turning on button, stuff like that, and did a firmware update with this one. And also, guys, I like the Segway app. You know, that's what I use for my go-kart. Without my go-kart, I don't think I ever gonna get, I would say, unicycle. So this is my first experience with the Ninebot Z10, and I'm just gonna show you guys what I think of it. And something about Segway is just the quality of their products. I'm just surprised. It feels like Apple, you know, when you get Apple products, and it just, you know, I would say like, but anyway, this is the instruction. So you can get the app for it. And let's go ahead and check this one here. And this is the brick, the battery. This reminds me of the Ninebot too, kind of like this. It's unique. And you get all this accessories here. You also have this one right here to, I guess, if you pump tires. I think it's 20 pounds. I gotta go and check it. And also you got some bolts in here. And you got the cord for the brake charger. All right, so basically this is the charger and some other bolts in here. And let's see what's inside of this. And what is this right here? I'm going to check it out. Okay, so this is the extra pads where you put the pads, the grip. Okay, and I think this is for the, wow, it's one of those kind of like a brick case. To tell you guys the truth, the unicycle right now, it reminds me of one of those briefcase. It looked like a luggage, you know, like one of those luggage, like, and I guess it's the fender. It's one of those luggage that look like you're gonna travel and with the, with some wheels on it, you know, look like a briefcase or a luggage with the big ass wheels, and I guess it's all about. And let's see. Okay, what else we have here? So we got this, oh, this is a pad? Yeah, this is the pads for the, I think it goes inside the unicycle. So this is the pads. Interesting. It's one of those double-sided tape, 3M kind of deal. We'll go ahead and put this over here. And this is it, guys. This is the heaviest one right here. Interesting. God, it's heavy. How many pounds is this? Wow. Wow, this thing is heavy. But look at the quality of this. Wow, look at that tire. That is a massive tire, guys. Massive tires. So this is the reason why I got this already. And this one right here, you can put your brake charger in there. So it comes with, I think they come with just, you know, one of these, and then if you want to add that, it's like another $5, I think. So check it out. I'm gonna put the link in here so you guys can order this. But yeah, this is nice. Look at it. Just my experience looking at this in real life and actually owning it is like amazing, man. It's like, you know, what I expect from, I would say, what I expect from the go-kart. Now I have that feeling on this, and it just, wow. This is awesome. And the tire, it's wide tires. I don't know if I can put, look like a motorcycle tire. I don't know exactly if you can put a motorcycle tire here. Maybe a little bit flat, wider, because this one is a little bit more like wide, but it's like curved. So I think you can actually lean it. Wow, you can actually lean. You have plenty of room to lean this thing. So I don't know, I don't do that yet, but I'm gonna practice that for sure. And this goes right here. And I guess you just put these tabs here, supposedly, and you put your, here you go. Yeah, so you put your board in there. I mean your unicycle. It looked like a briefcase. Looked like you're going to travel with it, but wow, just amazing feeling of this thing. You should definitely check this out. And I think this is where the pad goes, something like that. I gotta go ahead and see exactly where it goes. And I think this goes in the bottom piece. And this luggage carry out. And then I think you can put the fenders. I think the fenders goes on like this. That is sweet. So you just basically do it like that. Interesting. So it goes like something like this. So I'm gonna try it out exactly how this put on. And I think this goes something like this. Interesting. Oh, I don't know how this works. I'm gonna go ahead and try it out how this thing works. And this is where you put the stand on this one here. I think it's kind of like this. I think it's also something like that. Yeah, so that's how the stand works. And you plug it in here, so or something like that. There you go. And there you go. And that's how you basically charge this. But let's go ahead and turn it on. I never tried it on yet, so. Wow. That is crazy. It's like alien. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off. Wow. See, you have to like hold it in. Yep, I think you have to hold it in. That is weird. Hold on. Yeah, finally shut off. That is weird. See, imagine if you don't have that stand, I think it probably just took off. Let's try it again one more time. I think you have to hold it in. Yeah. That's crazy. Alright, let me go and turn it off. Okay. I'm gonna turn it off. That's crazy. Okay, that's off. Let's go ahead and put it to the other side. I think it goes like this. Okay, let's go ahead and try it out. Okay, let's go ahead and try it out, see what's up. I think it goes something like this. It's kind of weird. Let's go ahead and turn it on. Let's put this on. One more time. That is weird. It's like an alien. Wow. Impressive. So you make sure you read instruction carefully when you're putting this grip tape, and also all these pads is just much easier, and also installing the stand. You can call it the briefcase stand. And you just gotta go ahead and read instruction a little bit, but it's pretty cool, you know, putting it all together. You get to know the unicycle better, I would say. I mean, this is my first experience putting this thing together, and I'm having fun with it already. It's like putting in a puzzle. So you make sure you do that, and that's what I did. And you might have to use a blower gun. Do not use like a super heat gun. You're gonna melt things out. So, and you can see here I'm actually using one of the foams, so I can put it in the bottom because I had to put the pads on, and everything went well. Everything went fine. And it's weird. It's like alien. All right. Wow, just an upgrade. Give me a second. Activated. Okay, open. Alright, supposed to be looking for my bot. Alright, let's go ahead and change. Add another device. Oh, found it already. Wow, we found it already. That is quick. He recognized the app right away. I mean the bot. Headlights on. It's bright too. Wow. Alright, there's a new firmware update. Yep, it's the V107. Check for new firmware update. Oh, this is the newest update. It's been updated. See, this is like the latest version of it already. So let's go over here. So basically you have to ride around to unlock this, and then once been unlocked, then you can go ahead and use sport mode or anything like that. So take out the headlamp, turn it back on. Look how bright that thing is. So okay, so right here you have safe mode, you have new ride, you have sport mode. You can't unlock the sport mode until you give some time, so that's a good thing. And I'm in a safe mode, I'm okay. Go back here, and then you can put the new ride mode details. So that's so cool. All right. So what's the new night mode? Oh, cool. All right. And I'm on. And I'm gonna go ahead and charge this one. So everything's activated as planned. And I'm just gonna go ahead and turn this on. I never rode this, so it was crazy. Woo. Oh man. I'm gonna have to use the stand. See? Wow. Yeah. So it's crazy how this thing balances. Let me see if I can balance it. It's interesting. Another learning curve. So I did this with a OneWheel, but I never did this with the Unicycle. It's a different feeling, man. I think I'm just gonna get into it. Come on. Yes, I need someone to hold on. Yeah, I definitely will get it. Pretty cool. Wow, and then good thing about this one here, you can just carry this around with you. Kind of like, it's weird. It's kind of like luggage, you know, like a briefcase with wheels. I'll call this one right here. So. Tomorrow's a learning curve. Wow. See that? It was just, look at that robot. It's pretty cool. I don't know if this thing has a Bluetooth. I gotta go check it out. I haven't messed around with it. Maybe you can put your music in or something. I'm gonna go ahead and turn off the headlight because it's too bright. There you go. Okay, so it's cool. It shows you all the people that has a unicycle, Segway, and go back to my device. All right, so I am in slow mode right now, and the good thing about this is the fact that even though you're a beginner, you can actually, progress because you're in slow mode until they unlock it for you. But one thing about this is it's weird feeling. So you have to do this. You gotta you have to have it like this. If you go like this and you put your leg up there, you're gonna fall this way automatically. So I have not do that yet. I've been using the wall to use it for my guidance. So I'm gonna do it right here. So it's making that clicking sound means that you did something kind of movement. So here you go. It's weird. I have to use this for now to practice it. Where you have to be quick. You have to lift it up right away. I'm not used to it, guys, so this is my first time actually in the unicycle riding it. So I'm gonna have to use the wall, so, just to see how it feels. Once you get in here, it feels good. The pads is big enough for your foot. But yeah, it's weird because I rode the I call this, actually rode I would say paddle board, and even now it's different balance on this one, and also a hoverboard, and also the Segway, the Max S Max. But right now I'm just practicing myself, just trying to catch it, you know, trying to balance. Yeah, so I'm just using the wall to help me balance myself. But the good thing about these tires is, like, you know, you can actually trust it more because it's wider. And of course I need to work on my leg. That's what it is. My memory is just using that leg. But once I got it, I mean, I should definitely get it. So right now I'm in the learning curve. So I don't know, I think maybe at the low. Yeah, so the more you go low, the more so you gotta like stand up straight and use that muscle, memory muscle. It's weird. All right. Okay, so weird. Yo. Ooh. I mean, I can go backwards.